Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today's class, we are going to be creating a puzzle using Jigsaw Explorer. Now, you can use your artwork to create a puzzle, or you can search online to create your own puzzle. The fun thing about Jigsaw Explorer is that you are able to share your puzzle with friends and family, so you can play along together. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and we're going to select create a custom puzzle and share it. Now, I'm going to use an image from pixabay.com. It has the most amazing free images. Different artists have uploaded their works there and you're free to use them as long as you give the artist credit. Now, I'm going to use this image here for International Women's Day. So the first thing I'm going to do is right click and I'm going to copy the image address, not the image, but the image address. Then I'm going to go back to Jigsaw Explorer and I'm going to paste it in the first box that says enter the URL web address of a JPEG photo. So in the second box, this is where you also give credit to the artist, but you type the name of the artwork and the name of the artist and the year that it was created. Now, because I do not know the full name and all those details, I'm just going to paste the URL here to still give credit to the artist. Here you can write the amount of pieces that you want your puzzle to be. If you want it to be a 10-piece puzzle, a 100-piece, 20, it is up to you. But I'm going to do a 30-piece puzzle. Scroll down, you can select which background color you would like to work with. I am going to choose pink and then create puzzle. Now my puzzle has been created and all I need to do is copy this link and you can share the link with your family. I'm going to go to paste and it takes me directly to my puzzle. Now, in order for your family to see the main image they should be creating, they can select this image icon and it will come up so they can see it. Now, this app is to change the background color. This app is to rotate the pieces. And this app is to select the number of pieces that you'd like. So your family or friends are free to change the amount of puzzle pieces that they'd like. And it is as simple as that. When you're finished resetting the options, you can go ahead and select OK and begin your puzzle. Move it all around to get your pieces in the right area. If you want to use your personal image, you can click on these three lines and select choose file. You can choose files from your computer and create your own. It is optional. I hope you had fun in today's art class. See you next time.